Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm gonna share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. In today's video, we're gonna do a quick and in-depth review of Sezzle platform. Sezzle is a buy now pay later BNPL platform that provides you with a wide variety of features and flexibility. As you can see, you can just streamline your next purchase at Honest, make your life easier by using the Sezzle Pay in 4 installments over 6 weeks. So you can just use this platform if you want to buy this product and convert its actual price into 4 installments that are completely interest free and can range up to 6 weeks. And they do have a really good rating on different other platforms. As we can see, like, they have a ratings of 4.9 on the App Store application, which is an excellent rating, and 4.7 on Google Play, and 4.1 on Trustpilot. So these are the excellent rating, and it is trusted by millions of shoppers. To just confirm the 4.1 on Trustpilot, I've opened the Trustpilot website, and here you can see they do have a 4.1 rating, and it is actually based on 15,208 reviews. So this is an excellent green signal that this platform is actually very much authentic and suitable for someone who want to purchase the products. As you can see, people are very much satisfied with their purchases and using this platform, because this organization is also connected with the major other different kind of authentic organizations. So this is a major green signals. So I hope this review was helpful for you. In conclusion, I would say you can use this platform if you don't want to utilize your credit card and get into credit card debt. So thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope this review was helpful for you, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.